Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We're going to see how to draw any shape using a polygon creep path. A polygon creep path is a square blueprint where you can place dots or points to make any shape, and then CSS code will connect the 2 points or the 2 consecutive points to make a line, and those lines will make a shape you want to create. In my example, I'm going to use a polygon creep path to create a style. As I mentioned in it earlier, use 2 values to make a point, x and y, and those values are separated by a comma. Our 2 axes x and y starts from 0 and increases to 100. To make it clear, I used the green color for x and red color for y. X values are from left to right and y values are from top to bottom. For drawing a star, the x values will be green and the y axis will be red, as it is seen here in the pair of numbers separated by a comma. These 2 first numbers make a point and the second ones make a point, and so on and so on. 50% x and 0y puts a point in the middle of x axis, and then 61 x and 35 1 puts a point here, and 98 almost 100 x and 35% y puts a point here, and then 68 x and 57 y puts a point here, and then let's connect the points. Keep on creating dots until you make a loop, and that will create the style we want to create. You can use this principle to create any shape you want, as long as it's a sided shape like square or triangle, anything. Let me use an example with the code so that you understand what I was doing. I will create a div and I will give it a creep path of a polygon with the code I used to draw a style, and this will give us a style. I can also use an image in the background of the div, and then the image will be creeped to the form of the shape I created with the creep path codes. I can even fill a color in the creeped path. I can use a linear gradient color. I used these codes in the video where I draw the American flag, and I use this to draw stars in the flag. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the video or learned something, please like the video or comment, and if you have not yet done it, please kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.